Welcome back to Planet Psych. Today we're going to discuss 5 psychological techniques that work surprisingly well. What we are about to explain in the next few minutes will help you use some effective psychology tips and tricks to make your life a whole lot simpler. Hopefully, you'll be able to help yourself and others. But don't go overboard. Okay, here we go. Number 1. Make it weird. Make it memorable. If you need a friend or colleague to remember some important information, it may help to frame it in a silly or unexpected way. Using this technique will likely help them remember information thanks to the bizarreness effect. The bizarreness effect came about when researchers found that distinct information is more memorable than other pieces of information. This is because distinct information has novelty and therefore speeds up the encoding process in the brain. The brain is therefore unlikely to tune the new information out. So the next time you have vital information to share, consider presenting it in a silly way. Okay, you're going to love the next one. But first, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. We post videos almost every day on all things related to practical psychology, understanding the human mind, improving mental health, and becoming free from behavioral patterns. Number 2. The framing effect. Isn't it concerning that someone will likely give different answers to the same 2 questions if they're just worded differently? We can easily point people's answers in the directions we want, simply through how we frame questions. For example, if you want to sell yogurt to a customer who wants to lose weight, you could ask them, "Would you like to try our new 2% fat yogurt?" Asking this question may not be as persuasive as asking, "Would you like to try our new 98% fat-free yogurt?" Studies have shown that framing questions in a positive frame is more effective because it emphasizes benefits rather than the losses involved. Even though the 2 questions from earlier are basically the same, they will have different effects on people's subconscious biases. Number 3. The fallacy of absolute certainty. What would you do if you knew you couldn't fail? Well, anything you wanted, I'm sure. As discussed in the previous section, the way things are framed can have a significant impact on how people view them. Research shows that if an option is framed in such a way that there is no risk, people will likely choose that option. Most people don't take big risks because they can predict the dangers involved in those risks. There are, however, those who take huge risks because they fail to acknowledge the chances of failure. This is why teenagers have a reputation for risky behavior. It's because the parts of their brains which process rewards are fully developed, while the parts of the brains responsible for assessing risk are still developing. It's likely that they will make decisions based on reward and not based on the potential dangers involved. If you have a friend who's excited about a business idea that can't fail or an investment opportunity with a 100% success rate, it might be best that you bring him back down to earth by discussing the possible risks he may have overlooked. Number 4. Peaceful accusations. Although necessary, confrontations are often unpleasant and scary. Have you ever told a colleague or family member you didn't do the job properly, only for them to resent you or start an argument? They could have even responded to your criticism as though it were a personal attack, even though you were just trying to help. Changing the way criticism is phrased can make a huge difference. Next time you're giving feedback, try making the focus of your critique the action the person performed, rather than the person who did it. Instead of saying, "You didn't do the job properly," try saying, "The job wasn't done properly." This may seem like an insignificant change, but it can help soften the blow for the person being criticized. Number 5. Give some options. Have you ever had a friend try to share the story, but they couldn't quite find the words? You can help them clarify the thoughts by giving them a few options to choose from. If they seem upset and they're not sure why, ask them if it's work or relationship related. That might help them organize their thoughts more clearly, even if it is neither of those options. Share any mind tricks you personally use in the comment section below. If you know someone you think will enjoy this video, please share it with them. It really helps us out. Here at Planet Psych, We post videos almost every day on all things related to practical psychology, understanding the human mind, improving mental health, and becoming free from behavioral patterns. Just a reminder, we're having a free giveaway at each channel milestone every month as we grow. We're giving away the brand new latest Kindle Paperwhite from Amazon. All you have to do is be a subscriber and turn on all notifications, leave a like, and comment about anything related to this video. The winner will be picked at random and announced in a future video. Thanks for watching Planet Psych. See you tomorrow.